Gani otoko ya chaka korwase county ya Kisii asingo kumenya buna magega yogosoerwa ase kegambira se myaka 5 yabere kegweta nigo omubunge Innocent Obiri atokekanira tabwati amamocho yango bwatikana nuko nacho kukwabetego gokorekana abolit koligoro ase omo chief magistrate Nathan Ruta negative na Obiri obeire omosibole korwa asama mochayo aya magega iyoboroli bwabete bokorwe Bobasi Obiri aseboigo omonyanyimbo Charles Nyakweba batatogete namamocho andonsi baberabo nigo basoereire namamocho yogosigeta chisegi naboigo gosalia ebintu negati yebinde mulikecho Brighton Makoli na irachinga kichae chabene naboigo gotwaliganiria oroboti rokubwatia.
There's no evidence on record that was tendered by the witnesses in support of this charge, and therefore it cannot stand. In totality, I therefore find that the prosecution has not proved all the charges against the accused persons beyond any reasonable doubt, and I proceed to acquit them under Section 215 CPC.
Okubono na kuoko nachwa kwanyarde goko nachwa sekigambero ime yomo chubusongo okwanyarde goko nachwa na Chief Magistrate Nathan Ruta oyibono otebire buna omubunge Bobasi Innocent Obiri nigo are omosibole koru asamamojo anyarde kagosoerwa ase myaka 5 ya etire.
Any securities deposited in court will be released to the depositors.
Kolengana na Obiri nigaterina nigetare ngega sirahisi asokoba nekina ase myaka 5 ya etire.
It has been a long journey and nobody has influenced it, and I had no doubt in the judiciary, and they have arrived at a fair judgment on this matter, which I did no crime at all.
Boigo Obiri nigawade abuna nigabantu batagete kumtumeka ekina indabanyare bakumukiri asokorera ababasi amagenderero na gukwana aliagendete kubalenga kurwanene kurwa sensemeri ya Nyamunema.
This was the first time in my life that I was arrested and I slept in the cell. The matter goes back. My constituency, there was a quarry being mined by blasting. I maintain as a conservator that blasting is also practical, is something banned inside residential areas because it has a very big impact on people and their property. And blasting was being done and people died out of that blasting. A lot of property was damaged out of that blasting. And as an area member of parliament, I had nothing else to do other than to protest on their behalf. I was arrested in the most dehumanizing conditions, put in the dirtiest cells, but I bore with it and I'll bear with it again for the defense of my people. I must note that the owners of the quarry were the powerful people in the government, and they were able to do that, and I must say influence my being charged for the purpose of silencing me. And this is the worst misuse of the judicial system to solve, to show power by those who are the powers that be.
Boigo Obiri nigasemeribuna serikali ibono iregeti tego jugutumeka ebigambero asugutaka gukiri bali bagokwana ekene na bali bakurwanira abantu babo.
Must note that we have a new government, and the thing of all the things which the current government has done, it has not gone that direction, which is a heinous direction of using the courts and the judicial system to solve these problems or to show power on things which should not be done.
Katwa kigen inomo wakiri orenge asensemo yukumwegerera.
This is a trial that started in May 2018. The charges mainly related to allegations that Mheshimiwa and his security on a certain date in May did two things. One was incitement and two was malicious damage. And thirdly, obstruction.
Boigo kigen niganyarire kakotogika mbero asokona jabanyate bakora bulitko ligoro.
We are therefore very glad that we were able to demonstrate and show to the court, and that the court agreed with us that they were all false, and we maintain our position that indeed there was no basis to have charged the Mheshimiwa Ndizi security. All these were meant to discourage him from doing his work as an MP.
Go report to Ndizi TV Brighton Makori.